Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shubham and you're watching Techno Busters. So guys, in today's video, we are gonna learn how to automate WhatsApp using Python. So at first, we need to download Python, the latest version of it, and then you can use any of your choice of ID. I'm using Python. Okay, then we need to go to terminal and download PyWhatKit. So we need to write pip install PyWhatKit. After that, it will say for me requirement already satisfied as I've already downloaded for you. Let me show it to you all. Okay, as you can see, it is showing requirement already satisfied to me as I've already done it. Okay, now we need to import PyWhatKit. This is because we need to use that package during this program. Then we need to write pivot_kit.send_what_message. That means we are giving a command to pivot_kit to send a message. Then you need to write the mobile number including +91 if you are from India. After that, we need to write the message we want. So I shall write, please subscribe to Technobursters. You can write any of your choice. You can even wish someone on their birthday at night without being awake by using this code. And the time format for this code is 24-hour format. So we can't write 11 for 11 p.m. We have to write it as 23. So let me show it to you all. We have to write comma. After doing this, we need to put a comma and write 23 as it's 11. Okay, at night. So we need to write 23. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we need to write 23 and then we need to put the time. So it's 38. 1 minute delay we have to put so that the code can run properly. After that, it will tell how long will it take to send the message. So it's showing it will take 7 seconds to send the message and it to open WhatsApp, and it will send the message in some more time after that. So as you can see, my cursor isn't moving. WhatsApp has opened automatically without me doing anything, and you can see that WhatsApp has opened and soon it will be sending the message without me clicking on any button. As you can see, my cursor is exactly on its location and I'm not touching it at all. And as we can see, the message has been delivered without me even touching the cursor. So using this code, you can use it. Do it. Thank you.